Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the Indian Naval Academy. As you can see, Commander Ashwani Bura, the adjutant of the academy, is leading the academy mounted on Vienna. He will conform to the movement of the parade.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, प्रस्तुत है भारतीय नौसेना अकादमी। कमांडर अश्वनी बूरा अकादमी के दंडपाल वियना घोड़े पर सवार होकर संपूर्ण कवायद पर बारीकी से नजर रखते हुए परेड की अगुवाई कर रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, amidst the vibrant springtime of 2024, the aircraft moves with anticipation as 6 squadrons compete for supremacy in a series of fiercely contested events. Each squadron put their heart and soul into every competition, their spirits soaring as they push themselves to the limit in the pursuit of the coveted champion squadron banner. We are glad to announce the results of the various events conducted this term. Inter-Squadron Cross-Country Championship and the most coveted Inter-Squadron Drill Competition was won by the Fighter Squadron. Moving ahead with the Inter-Squadron Volleyball Competition and Inter-Squadron Debate Competition. Winners were the Cheetah Squadron. The Inter-Squadron Basketball Competition was won by the Eagle Squadron. And next, proving their mettle in various events were the cadets of the Braveheart Squadron, who won the Inter-Squadron Football Competition. We are indeed proud of our cadets who have won laurels in national as well as international stages. The Indian Naval Academy's equestrian team had participated in the Delhi Horse Show 2024 and won a total of 22 medals. The Indian Naval Academy's sailing team has done consistently well all through the term. They won 2 golds and 1 bronze at the Navy Open Bhaiya and Laser Championship at Karwar. In the biangular sailing regatta, the team won 13 out of 15 medals, winning the event consecutively for the 4th time. The Indian Naval Academy's stellar performance at the Indian Navy Airgun Shooting Championship was a sight to behold, as cadets of the Indian Naval Academy were a part of the Southern Naval Command team and won a total of 12 medals. The Academy is now forming up into the traditional platoons typical of all ceremonial parades conducted in the Indian Navy.
अभी आप देख रहे हैं कि परेड अपना मूल स्वरूप ग्रहण कर रही है।
In the course of their training, which includes academics and professional naval education, the cadets also undertake mandatory activities every term, such as sailing, grueling camps, physical training, swimming, drill, weapon training, equitation, and co-curricular activities such as debate, declamation, quiz, and hobby clubs. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. All of that packed into a day's activities leaves these youngsters physically exhausted and mentally fatigued, but yet they persevere in their quest for excellence. Each day spent in the academy becomes a test of one's mettle and capabilities, and as they are put through the paces of their training here, they do realize every day that the only easy day was yesterday. As you can see, The parade comprises of 12 sword platoons of the passing out 106th Indian Naval Academy course, 36th and 37th Naval Orientation Course Extended, and the 38th Naval Orientation Course Regular. 8 armed platoons of the non-passing out courses and 4 unarmed platoons of the passing out 39th Naval Orientation Course Coast Guard and the non-passing out courses respectively.
Midshipman Pradeep Duneria has the honor and privilege of commanding the parade this morning. In a few moments from now, you will witness a 50-men Guard of Honor march in with the Indian Naval Academy Band in the lead, playing Indian Fleet March. Do take note of the fact that all movements of the Guard, including forming up and dressing, have a ripple effect depicting the seamless movement of waves, which is unlike other military ceremonial guards.
मिडशिपमैन प्रदीप दुनेरिया आज परेड की कमान संभाल रहे हैं। आज की परेड में 50 कैडेट का सम्मान गार्ड शामिल है। सम्मान गार्ड अब भारतीय नौसेना अकादमी के बैंड के साथ इंडियन फ्लीट मार्च की धुन पर मार्च करते हुए आता दिखेगा। देवियों एवं सज्जनों, मैं आप सभी का ध्यान इस बात पर आकर्षित करना चाहता हूं कि नौसेना सम्मान गार्ड की विशेषता उसके लहरात्मक ड्रिल में है, जो समंदर की लहरों को दर्शाता है।
The ceremonial guard of honor is the pride of the Indian Naval Academy. The guard comprises 50 cadets of the 108 Garudastras. Officers of the guard are Academy Cadet Captain Ayush Kumar Singh with Academy Cadet Adjutant Shubham Nara to his left. Positioned on the right side of the guard is the Indian Naval Academy Band, which has enthralled audiences around the world. The band is being conducted by P.K. Biswas, Master Chief Petty Officer, musician, second class. The band will play Anand Lok by Land and Sea, Twilight, and the Royal Marines during the inspection of the parade by the reviewing officer.
सम्मान गार्ड भारतीय नौसेना अकादमी की शान है। आज के गार्ड अधिकारी हैं अकेडमी कैडेट कैप्टन आयुष कुमार सिंह एवं अकेडमी कैडेट एडजुटेंट शुभम नारा। गार्ड के दाहिने ओर स्थान ग्रहण किया है भारतीय नौसेना अकादमी के बैंड ने, जिसने अपने प्रदर्शन से विश्व भर के श्रोताओं का मन मोह लिया है। पीके बिस्वास, मास्टर चीफ पेटी ऑफिसर, म्यूजिशियन, सेकंड क्लास, आज बैंड का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं। बैंड निरीक्षण के दौरान आनंद लोक बाय लैंड एंड सी, ट्वाइलाइट एंड द रॉयल मरीन्स की मधुर धुन बजाएगा।
Flotilla Cadet Captain Karan Singh is marching in to receive the President's color from Nishan Rakshak, Flotilla Cadet Adjutant Saurav Kumar.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, अब राष्ट्रपति के निशान को राष्ट्रीय सल्यूट प्रदान किया जाएगा। अतः आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि इसके सम्मान में कृपया आप अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं एवं सभी वर्दीधारी कार्मिक सल्यूट करें।
राष्ट्रीय सल्यूट! सलाम!
Ladies and gentlemen, you may now please resume your seats.
The passing out parade is the most spectacular among the end-of-term evolutions at the Indian Naval Academy. It is also the culminating event of the term gone by. The Pareda Parade Ground, where you're currently seated, is named after an iconic Indian admiral, Ronnie Pereira. Today, as many as 216 officer trainees will pass out as commissioned officers. The parade now awaits the arrival of Rear Admiral Rajveer Singh, Principal, Indian Naval Academy.
परेड अब रियर एडमिरल राजवीर सिंह, प्राचार्य, भारतीय नौसेना अकादमी के आगमन की प्रतीक्षा कर रही है।
Rear Admiral Rajveer Singh was commissioned into the education branch of the Indian Navy on 13th February 1989. A postgraduate in mathematics and telecommunication, the flag officer is a specialist in communications and electronic warfare and has over 33 years of rich and varied experience in the Indian Navy. The Admiral's tenure includes appointments in INS Shivaji, INS Mandvi, Officer Commanding of 3N Det, 32 WEU Port Blair, Senior Education Officer at Signal School, Joint Director, Director and Principal Director at the Directorate of Naval Education at Naval Headquarters, and Principal of Sainik School Gopalganj. The Admiral is recipient of Award of Principal of the Year by All Indian Schools Science Teachers Association and commendation by Minister for Human Resources Development for his outstanding contribution in the field of education. Prior elevation to the flag rank, the Admiral served as the Command Education and Welfare Officer at Eastern Naval Command, following which he overtook as the Principal, Indian Naval Academy on 1st August 2022.
रियर एडमिरल राजवीर सिंह 13 फरवरी 1989 को भारतीय नौसेना की शिक्षा शाखा में कमीशन हुए। एडमिरल गणित एवं कम्युनिकेशन में सक्षम हैं। वे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वॉरफेयर नीति में विशेषज्ञ हैं और उन्हें भारतीय नौसेना में 33 साल से अधिक वर्षों का समृद्ध एवं विविध अनुभव रहा है। एडमिरल के कार्यकाल में भारतीय नौसेना पोत शिवाजी, भारतीय नौसेना पोत मांडवी की नियुक्तियां 3N Det 32 WEU पोर्ट ब्लेयर में अफसर कमांडेंट, सिग्नल स्कूल में वरिष्ठ शिक्षा अधिकारी, नौसेना शिक्षा निदेशालय, नौसेना मुख्यालय में संयुक्त निदेशक एवं उप प्रधान निदेशक और सैनिक स्कूल गोपालगंज में प्राचार्य आदि की नियुक्तियां शामिल हैं। parade now awaits the arrival of Rear Admiral Prakash Gopalan, Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, Indian Naval Academy.
परेड अब रियर एडमिरल प्रकाश गोपाल, उप कमांडेंट एवं मुख्य प्रशिक्षक भारतीय नौसेना अकादमी के आगमन की प्रतीक्षा कर रही है।
Rear Admiral Prakash Gopalan was commissioned in the Indian Navy on 1st of July 1993. In a career spanning 30 years, he has held a number of specialist, staff and operational appointments, both afloat and ashore. After completing his specialization course in navigation and direction, he did several appointments as a specialist on board frontline ships. He subsequently held commands at sea, which include command of Torpedo Recovery Vessel 72, Indian Naval Ship Gora, Indian Naval Ship Mysore, and Indian Naval Ship Mumbai. Ashore, he has held important staff appointments at Naval Headquarters and also served as the Defence Advisor at the High Commission of India in Colombo. An alumnus of the Indian Naval Academy, Defence Services Staff College Wellington and National Defence College New Delhi, his educational accomplishments include Masters of Philosophy and Masters in Sciences of Strategic Studies. In recognition of his professional excellence, he was awarded with commendation by the Chief of Naval Staff and Vice Chief of Naval Staff. On promotion to flag rank, the officer took over as the Deputy Commandant, Indian Naval Academy on 1st of December 2023. रियर एडमिरल प्रकाश गोपालन 1 जुलाई 1993 को भारतीय नौसेना की एग्जीक्यूटिव ब्रांच में कमीशन हुए। 30 वर्षों के कार्यकाल में उन्होंने समुद्री और तटीय दोनों जगह कई स्पेशलिस्ट, स्टाफ एवं ऑपरेशनल नियुक्तियों का पदभार संभाला है। एडमिरल ने नेविगेशन और डायरेक्शन में अपना विशेषज्ञता हासिल करने के बाद फ्रंटलाइन जहाज़ों पर विशेषज्ञ के रूप में कई नियुक्तियां, जिनमें टॉर्पीडो रिकवरी वेसल 72, भारतीय नौसेना पोत कोरा, भारतीय नौसेना पोत मैसूर और भारतीय नौसेना पोत मुंबई की कमान शामिल है। एडमिरल ने नौसेना मुख्यालय में महत्वपूर्ण स्टाफ नियुक्तियों पर कुशलतापूर्वक अपने दायित्वों का निर्वहन किया है तथा कोलंबो में भारतीय उच्चायोग में रक्षा सलाहकार के रूप में भी नियुक्त रहे। एडमिरल भारतीय नौसेना अकादमी, डिफेंस सर्विसेज स्टाफ कॉलेज वेलिंगटन और नेशनल डिफेंस कॉलेज नई दिल्ली के पूर्व छात्र रह चुके हैं। उनकी शैक्षिक उपलब्धियों में मास्टर्स ऑफ फिलॉसफी और मास्टर्स ऑन साइंसेज स्ट्रैटेजिक स्टडीज शामिल हैं। उनके प्रोफेशनल एक्सीलेंस के सम्मान में उन्हें नौसेना प्रमुख और नौसेना उप प्रमुख द्वारा प्रशंसा से सम्मानित किया गया है। फ्लैग रैंक पर पदोन्नति पर एडमिरल ने 1 दिसंबर 2023 को भारतीय नौसेना अकादमी के डिप्टी कमांडेंट के रूप में पदभार संभाला।
The parade now awaits the arrival of Vice Admiral Vineet Magadi, Ati Vishishta Seva Medal, Commandant, Indian Naval Academy.
परेड अब वाइस एडमिरल विनीत मकाना, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, कमांडेंट, भारतीय नौसेना अकादमी के आगमन की प्रतीक्षा कर रही है।
Vice Admiral Vineet Magadi was commissioned Indian Navy on 1st July 1989 and is a graduate of Defence Service Staff College, Wellington and National Defence College, New Delhi. He has held a wide array of challenging operational, staff and training assignments. He specialized in gunnery and missiles in 1996. He is commissioning crew of INS Delhi and did all his specialist tenures on board the frontline guided missile destroyer. He has served as the executive officer of 3 ships and has commanded anti-submarine patrol vessel INS Ajay, guided missile corvette INS Khanjar, and guided missile frigate INS Shivalik. His staff assignments include training commander at Naval Academy, Goa, and command plan officer at the headquarters of Eastern Naval Command. He has served as directing staff at Naval and Maritime Academy, Sri Lanka, and was India's defense advisor to the Republic of Singapore, with concurrent accreditation to the Republic of the Philippines. He was Commodore of Naval Plans from 2018 to 2020, where his charter of responsibilities included drawing up Indian Navy's perspective, financial and acquisition plans. After elevation to the flag rank on 10th February 2020, he assumed duties of Assistant Chief of the Naval Staff at the Naval Headquarters, where he was responsible for capability development and formulating combat policy of the Indian Navy. Prior assuming charge as the Commandant of the Indian Naval Academy on 15th January 2024, he was the Flag Officer commanding Western Fleet from 15th November 2022 to 9th November 2023.
वाइस एडमिरल विनीत मैकार्टी 1 जुलाई 1989 को भारतीय नौसेना की एग्जीक्यूटिव ब्रांच में कमीशन हुए। वह डिफेंस सर्विसेज स्टाफ कॉलेज वेलिंगटन और नेशनल डिफेंस कॉलेज नई दिल्ली से स्नातक हैं। उन्होंने चुनौतीपूर्ण परिचालन, स्टाफ और प्रशिक्षण कार्यों की एक विस्तृत श्रृंखला संभाली है। एडमिरल ने 1996 में गनरी एंड मिसाइल्स में विशेषज्ञता हासिल करी। वे आईएनएस दिल्ली के कमिश्निंग क्रू का हिस्सा भी रह चुके हैं और उन्होंने अपने सभी विशेषज्ञ कार्यकाल में फ्रंटलाइन गाइडेड मिसाइल डिस्ट्रॉयर पर किए हैं। उन्होंने 3 भारतीय नौसेना जहाज़ों के कार्यपालक अधिकारी के रूप में कार्य किया है और एंटी सबमरीन पेट्रोल वेसल भारतीय नौसेना पोत अजय, गाइडेड मिसाइल कॉर्वेट भारतीय नौसेना पोत खंजर और गाइडेड मिसाइल फ्रिगेट भारतीय नौसेना पोत शिवाले की कमान संभाली है।
Hey!
the arrival of Vice Admiral V. Srinivas, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Nausena Medal, Flag Officer, Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command.
Parade of Vice Admiral V. Srinivas, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, नौसेना मेडल, फ्लैग ऑफिसर कमांडिंग इन चीफ, सदर्न नेवल कमांड की आगमन की प्रतीक्षा कर रही है।
Vice Admiral V. Srinivas is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy and was commissioned in the executive branch of the Indian Navy on 1st July 1987. He undertook his initial sea training on board INS Vijayadurg and submarine training on board INS Sindhughosh and INS Shalki. An anti-submarine warfare specialist, he was appointed as the anti-submarine warfare officer on board INS Shalki for 5 years and executive officer on board INS Shishumar and INS Shankul during Operation Vijay. His command tenures afloat include the command of INS Shankul on 2 occasions, the destroyer INS Ranveer and INS Chakra. He holds the distinction of being one of the only 2 officers ever in Indian Navy to have commanded a frontline warship as well as a ship submersible nuclear. He has undertaken several challenging deployments during his submarining career and was awarded the Nausena Medal during his command of Shankul. His staff assignments have been equally coveted, which include Commander Submarines at Commodore Commanding Submarines West, Chief Staff Officer to Flag Officer Submarines, Principal Director Ship Systems and Development, and the Commanding Officer of the Submarine Training Establishment INS Satvahana. On promotion to the rank of Rear Admiral, he served as the Flag Officer Submarines, where he handled responsibilities of Safety Class Authority and Chairman of Operational Safety Review Committee, dealing with the nuclear and radiation safety of our nuclear assets. He subsequently assumed command as the Flag Officer commanding Maharashtra Naval Area and was responsible for the operations and administration of the naval assets under the Maharashtra Naval Area. He was then appointed as the Project Director, Operations and Training at Headquarters, ATVP. On promotion to the rank of Vice Admiral, he was appointed as the Inspector General Nuclear Safety from November 2021 to December 2023. He assumed the command of Southern Naval Command as the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command on 31st December 2023.
Ladies and gentlemen, Flag Cadet Krishna Pest and Flag Cadet Rohit Sagar are escorting the conducting officer to the dais for today's parade.
Salute!
parade now awaits the arrival of Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, Param Vishishta Seva Medal, Ati Vishishta Seva Medal, Vayu Sena Medal, ADC, Chief of the Air Staff.
परेड अब एयर चीफ मार्शल वी आर चौधरी, परम विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, वायुसेना मेडल, एडीसी, वायुसेना प्रमुख के आगमन की प्रतीक्षा कर रही है।
Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary was commissioned into the fighter stream of the Indian Air Force on 29th of December 1982. He is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla. The air officer has flown various types of aircraft and is experienced on MiG-21, MiG-23MF and MiG-29 fighter aircrafts. He has flown over 3,800 hours and was a member of the first aerobatic team on Kiran. He is a Category A qualified flying instructor, graduate of the Defence Services Staff College and an instrument rating instructor and examiner. The Air Chief Marshal has a rich experience of operational flying, having undertaken numerous air defence missions during Operation Meghdoot and Operation Safed Sagar. During his illustrious career, he has held a number of field and staff appointments. He has been an Air Force examiner on several types of aircrafts and trainer aircrafts. He commanded a MiG-29 squadron and served as the Chief Operations Officer and Base Commander of frontline bases in Western and Southwestern Air Commands. He has the unique distinction of being an instructor at Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, as well as Defence Services Command and Staff College at Zambia. The Air Chief Marshal has been instrumental in enhancing the operational capability as the Deputy Chief of Air Staff, Senior Air Staff Officer, Eastern Air Command, Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Western Air Command, and Vice Chief of Air Staff, prior to taking over as the Chief of the Air Staff on 30th of September 2021.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cadet Harshita Kiran Patil and Cadet John V. Sharma are escorting the recruiting officer to the dais for today's parade.
आपकी निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है श्रीमान।
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade is ready to be reviewed by the reviewing officer. Whilst the ceremonial guard will be reviewed on foot, the rest of the platoons will be inspected by the reviewing officer in a ceremonial vehicle.
आपकी निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है श्रीमान।
सज्जनों, अब हम देखेंगे कि वायु सेना प्रमुख संपूर्ण परेड का निरीक्षण वाहन से करेंगे।
A special attraction of today's parade is the presence of ships of 1st Training Squadron, Indian Naval Ship Sanana and Indian Naval Ship Kalanani, where the 8th term executive trainees spend their vacation time. They will be visible at sea on the right-hand corner of the parade ground in the direction of the radio tower. In addition, we have Gaudian aircrafts joining us later in the parade. The formation belongs to Indian Naval Air Squadron 550, also known as the Flying Fish. This squadron is the oldest aviation squadron of the Indian Navy, with a legacy spanning over 7 decades. Leading the Gaudians would be Commander Arvind Nayak, with Lead Mission Controller, Commander Yogesh Bharadwaj, with Commander A.K. Mahajan as Fish 2, and Lieutenant Commander Siddharth Singh as Fish 3.
In the Navy, parade signifies discipline, intense coordination, teamwork, and a sense of pride. Discipline from within has been the crux of training at the Indian Naval Academy. A training curriculum which can induce high order of discipline is laid on a broad canvas of mental, moral, physical, and cultural plane. The long training hours with supervision, guidance, and motivation provides the force for self-reliance with a responsible attitude. The word parade comes from the old tradition of formation combat, in which soldiers were held in strict formation so as to maximize their combat effectiveness. It is through the rigors of drill that precision becomes instinct and synchronization becomes second nature.
Isyangan! Samne! Tek! Isyangan! Worship!
stands for the traditions built over years of experience in striving for excellence through training and hard work. A culture growing out of such traditions has molded every generation of trainee naval officers into future leaders. It is this discipline that the nation is proud of in every warrior, which is painstakingly developed and ingrained here at the Indian Naval Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, having been reviewed by the reviewing officer, each of these platoons will now march past the quarterdeck with the Nishan Guard in the lead to the captivating tunes of Sare Jahan Se Acha, Kadam Kadam Badhaye Ja, Vayu Shakti, Hum Taiyar Hain, and Jai Bharti in that order, rendered by the Indian Naval Academy Band. The platoons will march past the quarterdeck in the order of their standing in the overall inter-squadron championship at the end of last term.
रिव्यूइंग ऑफिसर द्वारा निरीक्षण के पश्चात सभी प्लाटून्स गार्ड के पीछे मार्च करके सलामी मंच के सामने से गुजरेंगी। निशान गार्ड की अगवानी में सारे जहां से अच्छा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, वायु शक्ति, हम तैयार हैं और जय भारती की मधुर धुनों पर मार्च करते हुए सलामी मंच के सामने से गुजरेंगी।
The parade will now march past the desk and salute the reviewing officer. During the march past, you are requested to rise as the President's color passes in front of you. All personnel in uniform are required to salute.
देवियों एवं सज्जनों, हमारा आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि जब निशान गार्ड मार्च करता हुआ आपके सामने से गुजरे, राष्ट्रपति निशान के सम्मान में कृपया आप अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं एवं सभी वर्दीधारी कार्मिक सल्यूट करें।
the Platoon area. Following him is the Nishan Guard, which is commanded by Academy Cadet Captain Ayush Kumar Singh and Academy Cadet Adjutant Shubham Nara. We would like to inform you that Midshipman Pradeep Lutheria was the Academy Cadet Adjutant the previous term. He was conferred with the Raksha Rajya Matri Trophy for the most promising INSC midshipman in spring term 2024.
राष्ट्रपति निशान
Ladies and gentlemen, behold, as the platoons comprising midshipmen of the 106th Indian Naval Academy Corps who were trained at the Indian Naval Academy will march past the quadrilateral. The first platoon comprising midshipmen of the 106th Indian Naval Academy passing out course is being led by Midshipman Arik Rishi Menon. Midshipman Arik Rishi Menon was the Squadron Cadet Captain, Fighter Squadron, the previous term. Platoon number 2 is being led by Midshipman Pradeep Kumar Reddy. We would like to inform you that Midshipman P.P.K. Reddy was the Academy Cadet Captain, the previous term. He was conferred with the Chief of the Naval Staff Trophy for Midshipman Ensures Defense in service subjects. Midshipman Aditya Bhaskar is leading the 3rd platoon of the 106th Indian Naval Academy Corps. Midshipman Aditya Bhaskar was the Flotta Cadet Adjutant of the 2nd Flotta the previous term. Indian Naval Academy Corps is being led by Midshipman Mohammad Sameer. We would like to inform you that Midshipman Mohammad Sameer holds the distinction of breaking the cross-country record during the autumn term 2023. Bangladesh Navy. He was conferred with the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command Trophy for Best International Training in spring term 2023. Midshipman Raman Patel was conferred with the Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Western Naval Command Trophy for Best in ODT among INSC BTEC in spring term 2024. The 9th platoon of the passing out courses comprises of trainees of the DA Naval Orientation Course and is being led by Cadet Dhruv Bagora. We would like to inform you that Cadet Dhruv Bagora is a merit card in sailing. Saluting the review officer at the moment is the 11th platoon of the 37th Naval Orientation Course Extended. The platoon is being led by Cadet Sandeep Patnaik. Cadet merit card in volleyball and of ADC, the previous term. Carrying the champion squadron is the platoon of the Daredevil Squadron, led by Squadron Cadet Captain Abhinav Singh and Squadron Cadet Adjutant Manish Rai. SCC Abhinav Singh is the captain of the Indian Naval Academy football team, while SC Anish Rai was a flag cadet in his 5th term. We would like to inform you that SCC Adrian Denson is the part of Indian Naval Academy's debate and reclamation team. And now for the 15th platoon, ladies and gentlemen, watch as Squadron Cadet Adjutant Ravi Chaudhary proudly leads the cadets of the Cheetah Squadron past the desk. Saluting the reviewing officer at the moment is the 16th platoon of the Braveheart Squadron. The platoon is being led by Squadron Cadet Captain Sumit Vijalwan. SCC Sumit Vijalwan is a merit card in hockey. Squadron Cadet Captain Aditya Narayan Singh proudly leads the 17th platoon of the Fighter Squadron. SCC Aditya Narayan Singh is a merit card in hockey and sailing. Approaching the days is the 19th platoon of the 1st Squadron, being led by the platoon commander, Squadron Cadet Adjutant Ayush Chandra. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the 21st platoon of the passing out Naval Orientation Course Coast Guard training, led by Cadet Aditya Oja. He has received the Director General's Coast Guard Trophy for the Best Assistant Commandant for Spring Term 2024. The last two platoons comprise of our first term trainees of the 39th Naval Orientation Course.
शुभम सेनेगा यह बात में हमारी समुद्री सीमा रक्षा करने का प्रण है। प्लेटून नंबर 6 चुनाव विमान से सामने से गुजरते हुए वीर घोड़े पर सवार अकादमी के कमांडर अश्वनी बूरा सामने से गुजरते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, marching smartly to the tune of Jai Bharati and approaching the next is the Indian National Academy Band, led by P.V. Desai, Master Chief Petty Officer of Communication, second class. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now witness the handing over of the Commandant's Champion Squadron banner to the Academy. The Commandant's Champion Squadron banner is awarded every term to the squadron standing first in the overall order of performance in all the activities held during the term, which include academics, physical training, parade training, service training, swimming, games, cross-country running, and a host of outdoor and indoor co-curricular and extracurricular activities, including debating, quizzing, and public speaking. The current champions are the Daredevil Squadron.
पिछले सत्र शरदवाली सत्र 2000 के चैंपियन स्क्वाड चैंपियन बैनर अकादमी को वापस करेंगे। बैनर सौंपने के बाद डेयरडेविल स्क्वाड्रन की स्क्वाड्रन कैडेट कैप्टन अभिनव सिंह अपने प्लेटून में पुनः शामिल होंगे।
निर्दोषी प्राप्त करता
I now have the privilege to announce the award of medals and the Indian Squadron Championship banner for spring term 2024. Trainees of the passing out Indian Naval Academy course and Naval Orientation courses are awarded medals to recognize their efforts towards striving for excellence during their training. They are awarded medals for their performances in academics, physical training, swimming, drill, small arms firing, service subjects, extracurricular activities, including prepared talks, management and organizational skills. Trainees are also assessed for their officer-like qualities. Based on the cumulative assessment of their performance, the Academy determines the recipient of the medals each term. Ladies and gentlemen, you will shortly witness the medal awarding ceremony, followed by the award of the Champion Squadron banner. The reviewing officer will now felicitate the award winners. The President's Gold Medal for the cadet standing first in the overall order of merit is awarded to Midshipman Pradeep Kumar Reddy of the 106th Indian Naval Academy course. The Chief of the Naval Staff Silver Medal is awarded to Midshipman Mohammad Sameer of the 106th Indian Naval Academy course. The Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command Bronze Medal is awarded to Midshipman Rahul Shoran of the 106th Indian Naval Academy course. The Chief of the Naval Staff Gold Medal for the cadet standing first in the overall order of merit is awarded to Cadet Sandhita Patnaik of 37th Naval Orientation Course Extended. The Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command Silver Medal is awarded to Cadet Shaurya Jamwal of 37th Naval Orientation Course Extended. The Commandant, Indian Naval Academy, Bronze Medal is awarded to Cadet Saloni Krishna Singh of 37th Naval Orientation Course Extended. The Chief of the Naval Staff Gold Medal for the cadet standing first in the overall order of merit is awarded to Cadet Janvi Singh of 38 Naval Orientation Course Regular. She has also been conferred with the Zamorin Trophy for the Best All-Round Women Cadet of the course 38 Naval Orientation Course Regular. The Commandant, Indian Naval Academy, Silver Medal is awarded to Cadet Sahana MK of 38 Naval Orientation Course Regular. The Commandant's Champion Squadron Banner for Spring Term 2024 has been won by the Fighter Squadron. The Squadron Cadet Captain Aditya Narayan Singh will now receive the Champion Squadron Banner. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to all the awardees and the Champion Squadron. The primary aim of this institution is to train our cadets in the art of cultivating a way of life, in which the highest and noblest attribute of discipline, character, and courage are not only blended but also nurtured and nourished. The reviewing officer will now address the parade.
Flag Officer in Chief, Southern Naval Command, Commandant, Indian Naval Academy, members of the staff and faculty, midshipmen and cadets on parade, proud parents and families, serving officers and veterans of the armed forces, members of the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. It's in that will see you embark on a thrilling journey in service of the nation. Take a moment to reflect on the legacy you are going to inherit. Indian Navy has a glorious history of maritime prowess, from the legendary exploits of Kanoji Angre to the valiant action of our men and women in war and peacetime missions in recent times. As you march out from these hallowed portals, the armed forces will look upon you to carry forward the rich legacy of professionalism and service before self shown by your predecessors. Warfare is undergoing a radical change, rather a metamorphosis, with the emergence of new technologies and doctrines. Gone are the days of defined battle lines and large-scale troop movements. Today, we face a complex environment, a situation where physical and virtual domains converge. Future conflicts may not be bound by morality, ethics, and rules. Therefore, form, excel, and nurture your professional if you have situations that most ordinary people would never encounter. Let me remind you that your future will be from good, many yourselves to the value system and to the INA credo, which places safety, honor, and welfare of the country first and every time. Make sure that you always do the right thing the right way, on your strength of character and moral integrity. We expect you to maintain the highest standards of personal conduct and moral values that reflect the dignity, pursue the dreams of serving the nation. It is indeed a very proud moment for all of you, and I can assure you that you have made the right decision. In the end, I would like to convey my best wishes to all of you for continued success in all your future endeavors, a brilliant and a very enriching career in the Indian Navy. Wishing you all fair winds and following seas. Jai Hind.
You are now witnessing the passing out process, reforming for the final phase of the passing out parade. Kindly look towards the main.
Body, body, sir! Manchego!
Indian Naval Academy Course Speaker, 106 Indian Naval Academy Course End, 36 and 37 Naval Orientation Course Assembly, 38 Naval Orientation Course Welding, 29 Naval Orientation Course Coast Guard. Approach the quarterdeck in slow march, six abreast, set on the hallowed quarterdeck and salute the naval ensign on the mast before passing out from the Indian Naval Academy. Water training is also pass out gracefully to the prestigious portals of the Indian Naval Academy, where you will join the respective navies and Coast Guard. This movement marks the culmination of the rigorous training and the beginning of the noble service to the nation. जिसका को इंतजार अब आ गया है। इंडियन नेवल अकादमी को नेवल ओरिएंटेशन को विस्तार, 38वीं नेवल ओरिएंटेशन को नियमित और 39वीं नेवल ओरिएंटेशन को तटस्थ के अधिकार प्रशिक्षण और भारतीय नौसेना अकादमी के दीक्षांत
from what they were to what they are today. I am certain that each and everyone seated here have their hearts swell with pride.
सफेद वर्दी पहने वो जवान कुल कमांडर की तैनात हैं। इन्होंने अपने दिन बड़ी महत्वाकांक्षा के साथ इस अकादमी में पाँव रखा और अकादमी से किसी भी कठिन चुनौतियों का सामना करते हुए आए हैं
सभी का कामयाब सेना नायकों के रूप में परिवर्तन हो चुके हैं। हमें उम्मीद है यह देखकर यहाँ उपस्थित सभी अभिभावकों की छाती गर्व से अवश्य भर गई होगी।
Look at each of these cadets closely, and you will see not a boy or a girl, but an able military leader bursting at the seams with pride, passion, and their eyes, as they step past the quarterdeck and take their final step on their path.
क्वार्टरडेक से एक कदम बढ़ाकर अंतिम पल की तरफ बढ़ने इन प्रशिक्षण जरा ध्यान से इनमें गर्व से प्रफुल्ल तथा आंखों में जोश भरे भारतीय नौसेना के होनहार अधिकारी दिखाई दे रहे। अंतिम पल प्रशिक्षण एक प्रशिक्षण के तौर पर इस अकादमी में आखिरी कदम, लेकिन वे अपने पीछे इस अकादमी में बिताए गए अच्छे मुश्किल व कठिन प्रशिक्षण की अवश्य यादों सारी बातें हमेशा अवश्य रहेंगी।
As our cadets cross the Antim Berg for the last time, they inch forward towards the beginning of a promising life as an officer of the Indian Armed Forces. Each of them leaves behind hours and days of nights spent at the academy. Good, difficult, and hard, yet those days will remain etched in their memories for eternity.
और लैंग साइन एक क्षण के लिए एक उपयुक्त ध्वनि है। इस ध्वनि को कई भाषाओं में अनुवादित किया गया है। यह ध्वनि बीते हुए पलों की याद दिलाती है और आने वाले पलों का स्वागत भी करती है।
A befitting choice for today's momentous occasion, All Lang Syne is home, renowned the world over, which has had many a version, many languages, all translated to bring out a heady mix of emotions and nostalgia. One feels he or she would walk down memory lane, recollect the old times.
चाहे बात तकनीक की हो, युवा मन के सुनहरे सपने की बात या देश के नए आर्थिक विकास का समुद्री सफर, हर कसौटी पर हरे सोने की तरह 100% खरा उतरने के लिए तैयार है। तरुण भारत की आन बान और शान हमारे कैडेट्स।
Ladies and gentlemen, look at the horizon ahead of you. The three Dorniers of the Indian Naval Air Squadron 550 approach the dais to bid adieu to the passing out forces in arrowhead formation.
Please give a huge round of applause as the last of our trainees Midshipman Pradeep Kumar Reddy and Midshipman Pradeep Duneria slow march gracefully towards the quarterdeck.
हमारे अंतिम प्रशिक्षणार्थी मिडशिपमैन प्रदीप कुमार रेड्डी, मिडशिपमैन प्रदीप दुनेरिया कदम कदम धीरे चाल से सलामी से गुजर रहे हैं। जोरदार तालियों से शाबाशी।
As the disposal of discipline, the presence of the adjutant passing out parade is in accordance with the customs and traditions of the academy. You will now see the adjutant of the academy, Commander Ashwani Bura, giving the departing salute to the reviewing officers.